In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add variations in TikTok Shop. So by variations, we are talking about the product variations on your TikTok Shop. So in order to add those, just head over right here to the products that you can find on your left sidebar. Now click on Manage Products. You should be able to see right here all the products that you have available. We have in here the All tab in order to see all of those right here. So head over and then just click on the actual product that you want to add the variation with. So let's head over and choose right here this one. You can click on this or click on these three dots and click on edit. So open right here this new tab wherein you can find the details for this particular product. For this case, just scroll down until you reach the option for variation. Just turn on this add variation option. Input the variation name. I have inputted size right here, and the options are the sizes available, such as small, medium, large, XL, and XXL. You can also add more options if you want, or remove some options as well. Once you're done, head over and click on update or save right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.